In this tutorial, we are going to talk about using the Silent Auction Pro mobile software. I will show you how to access Silent Auction Pro mobile, how to find your online bidding page, how to get signed in or registered to bid, and finally, how to place bids. First, let's find the Silent Auction Pro mobile website. You can access it in one of two ways. You can simply type www.silentauctionpro.com in your mobile browser address bar. The software will recognize that you are accessing the website from a mobile device and ask you if you want to switch to the mobile. Click OK. Or you can go directly to the mobile website by typing m.silentauctionpro.com. That is where we will begin. Once you are on the Silent Auction Pro mobile website, find your group's online bidding page by typing in the group number. For this video, I will use group number 1 for our demo group. Enter the group number and click the Login or Register button. The software will ask you if you need an account, if you have an account, or if you need help with a username or password. Let's create an account. First thing you need is a username. This can be your email address or a simple username. Next, you'll need a password. The password requirements for Silent Auction Pro include at least one uppercase, one lowercase, and one number. It must be between 8 and 15 characters. You may also include an exclamation point, a hashtag, or $sign to your password. Click the button to create the account. Next, fill in the required personal information. First and last name, email address is also required. Although it's not required, it is a good idea to provide your cell phone number so that you can receive text outbid notifications, as well as any other text messages your group sends over the course of your event. You will also receive a notification at the end of the auction if you've won items. A physical address, while helpful, is not required. Let's create our account. A credit card is required to be stored on file in order to bid online. Click the Next button to agree to store your card on file in order to bid online. We'll use our demo credit card, a number 4, followed by 15 number 1s, and any date in the future as an expiration. Click to process the transaction. Once your card is stored, you will get a $0 payment record confirming your account. Click the List button to see the items available for bidding in your group's auction. Now that I'm logged in and registered to bid, it's time to try to win something. On the list page, I can choose to see all items, or I can use the filters to narrow down my search. Filter options include the category, as well as the auction type. Let's click all items to see everything available. I can use the search bar to find something specific, or just scroll through all the items. Let's check out Harry Potter's Invisibility Cloak. I can see when bidding is ending and decide how to place my bid. I see the Buy It Now option, which will make sure I can win this item. Or I can use the Bid For Me option, which helps me place a max bid. Or I can simply watch this item and not place a bid on it at this time, but have it show up on my homepage. Let's place a max bid of $700 and see what happens. The beauty of mobile bidding means I don't have to do math. The software sees that my $700 bid does not fit the parameters set by the auction committee and provides for me an acceptable bid to fit within the bid increment price. I can re-enter my bid using the suggestion provided, and now my bid is placed. If another bidder tries to outbid me, the system will continue to bid on my behalf until my stated maximum is reached. I can keep my eye on all my placed bids here on my home screen, and also initiate my payment from here as well when the auction ends. Well, that's our quick lesson on how to sign up for mobile bidding and how to place bids. You're ready to go win something. Have fun! Give us a call if you have more questions. We're always happy to help.